Logging a yeast pitch in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to track your strains and their generation, log a pitch into a batch, and carry the real yeast cost forward so it never shows as free after the first use. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production Yeast from your dashboard. This is where you track your yeast, which strains you're running, what generation each batch of yeast is on, and the real cost of using it. To log a pitch, click the strain, then Add Pitch. Pick the batch you're pitching into, the volume or cell count if you're measuring it, and the date. If it came from a fresh pack, the cost carries straight from that purchase. If it's a repitch, I carry the cost forward split across every generation. Save the pitch, and the batch is linked to this yeast lineage, so your cost per batch stays accurate instead of showing yeast as free after the first use. When you're ready to harvest yeast back off a fermenter, use Add Harvest the same way. Log the tank, the volume collected, and the date, and I'll tick the generation count up automatically for next time.